This video will cover everything you need to know about how to properly clean and maintain your Smeg Washer Dryer. Regular care not only keeps your appliance performing at its best, but it also helps extend its lifespan, saving you time, money and hassle down the line. Over time, detergent and fabric softener can leave residue inside the drum. That's why it's important to run a maintenance wash about once a month. Simply select a hot cotton cycle, ideally at least 60 degrees, without putting any laundry in. Add a small amount of detergent or specialist machine cleaner directly into the drum. This helps remove detergent buildup and prevents unpleasant odours. After each wash, ensure to leave the door open. Next, let's look at the door seal. It can trap moisture, detergent, water, lint and dirt. After every wash, wipe the seal with a clean cloth to prevent mould. Lift the seal gently and clean underneath, and avoid using any bleach or abrasive tools, as this can damage the rubber. After each wash, leave the door slightly ajar to allow the interior to dry and prevent mould and odours. The detergent drawer should also be cleaned regularly. Pull it out and rinse it under warm water, and use a soft brush to remove any residue. Make sure it's completely dry before sliding it back into the machine. Filter maintenance is also crucial to protect the pump from foreign objects. If your water's draining slowly, it may be time to clean it. Place a towel or a tray underneath, unscrew the cap slowly and let the water drain. Then remove the filter. Rinse it under running water, clear away any debris and replace it securely. If you find the machine isn't draining properly, this is the first place to check. For the dryer function, air circulation is key. After each drying cycle, remove your laundry promptly to prevent humidity from building up inside the drum. Occasionally, wipe around the door seal and drum to remove any leftover lint or fibres. With these simple cleaning and maintenance steps, your Smeg Washer Dryer will continue to perform at its best for years to come. Smeg also has laundry care products available to assist the maintenance of your machine. Please see the link in the description for more information. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.